Hey guys, it's me, Imani here from Cute Crafts with Imani, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make jumbo slime. I'm not going to use my whole entire gallon of glue because I don't want to waste it, but I will be making slime. You will be needing a big bowl to mix in, contact lens solution, water, optional, paint, that's also optional, or food coloring, and some baking soda, and of course your glue. So, first thing that you have to do is get your giant gallon of glue, and you are going to pour in as much as you want, and I will show you guys what it looks like, because you might not be able to see the whole entire thing of glue that I'm going to pour in. So let me pour in my glue. There, I poured in some, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But first, here it is. Here's my glue. Next, you just put this more back here. Next, you are going to add in your, you're going to need a mixing tool, of course. I know that this is a small mixing tool, but I'm going to try. And so first you're going to have to mix your glue. I don't use borax, so this is a safe slime recipe. And I will add in this after, or make multiple different slimes. So next you're going to add in your water. Wait just a second. Let me get my water. You're going to add in some water. I'm going to put some water inside of this container and add in that water. So I have this container. You can see it right here. Pour in some water. I pour in some water. I'm not going to pour a lot. So there we have our water. Now we're going to pour that in. Mix that. Should be more stretchy looking, like more loose. More like milk. Now you are going to add in some baking soda. So you're just going to add in a pinch of baking soda. I have my baking soda. I just put it in here so in case if any baking soda falls, it just falls in there. So now I'm just going to add in my baking soda. I added in my baking soda. Now let me put this here. So now you're going to mix your baking soda in. Okay, so you guys can see. Mixing the baking soda in. Now you guys are going to get some contact lens solution. Mix that in. There's no complete measurements of baking soda. Now just start mixing and it should start to form. See it forming? Just keep on mixing. And just keep on adding more and more contact lens solution if needed. And I need more contact lens solution. Don't worry, I have another bottle of contact lens solution if we run out. Keep on mixing, and you could see that it's starting to get stretchy and forming slime. Oh, this is hard. I hope this stick doesn't break. Okay, so we have that. Oh, a spoon. It's falling. Okay, let's keep on mixing now. I was going to do this video outside, but it's too hot. Keep on mixing, and it's really starting to form now. And just keep on mixing. It's like an exercise. Oh, it's starting to form. It's still a little sticky. This contact lens solution, I got a 2-pack of these, and it was only $4 at Target. And it's the Up and Up brand. This is so hard. Oh. Soon I'm gonna go all in and start like putting my hands in it. And just keep on doing the slime process. I think that it's time to use my hand.